Hey guys, this week I have 168 hours to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So this week I'm going to be challenging two of my good friends, Matthew and Natalie. They have no idea what the challenge is, so I'm going to go drop their Rubik's Cube off to them.
How are you? Are you excited? Are you ready to find out what the challenge is?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm ready.
How do you feel?
I'm pretty hyped. I'm hyped.
Alright, alright.
Are you ready? Here's the package. Here it is. Open it up.
Rubik's Cube! Oh my gosh, this is gonna be hard!
Oh, Rubik. Oh, snap.
Do you know how to do one?
No, I actually don't. My friend learned it though.
I thought you would.
Yeah, well, I have an unfair advantage.
Yeah.
Hello.
Don't lie.
I was practicing actually like 3 weeks ago, but I got to a part where it got too confusing.
This is gonna be using your mind more than I expected. I thought we'd just have to throw some stuff around or something. But
You and Natalie both have an advantage.
Oh, yeah.
She said she knows how to do one side.
Oh. Of course she does. She's Asian.
should I do this thing where I do this? I've always
No,
wanted to do
don't touch the camera.
I don't need to touch it.
No, don't. What we're going to do is we're going to see, at the end of the week, we're going to meet up.
Yeah.
And we're going to see who can finish it first to decide who wins.
Oh yeah, I'm keen. I'm ready. 168 hours. I just want to inspire people. We have a lot of time in our day. We spend too much time on social media, just browsing, Netflix, PlayStation. It's all okay. It's all to me. We got plenty of time to build ourselves to be a better person. Okay, let's get inspired. Let's get motivated. Let's go. Hey there, this is day one of the Rubik's Cube 168 hours challenge.
Okay, so it's 10 o'clock. I'm about to open up my Rubik's Cube and get started. I'm gonna mix it up and give it a little go before I watch a tutorial at least. I should at least try it without using one.
A few moments later.
Okay, I give up. I'm gonna go and watch some tutorials.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start with looking at some tutorials. It's Wednesday today, so I'm hoping I can figure it out by Friday. Because I think at the end we're gonna do like a speed test.
Okay, so I've been watching tutorials for the last half an hour and it is a lot of hard work. I didn't realize how hard it was gonna be.
We've gone like 10 minutes to do the tutorial and I've gotten this. And it's kind of coming back to me because I did it a couple weeks ago. But like just in terms of speed, this method's kind of slow.
Hey guys, today is day 2 and I am still struggling with it.
What's up? This is day 2 of the Rubik's 168 challenge.
And take 2? 200?
Yeah, nah, it's take 2, but I'll just show. I've done it a couple times actually, but yeah, I failed last time.
The best that I managed to do was to get one whole side white, and that's about as far as I've got. So I'm going to do some practice now. Let's see how badly it goes.
Two, down, up. Yeah! Yeah. So I've done that. Not too shabby. So that's day 2. I think I just need to work on getting the speed.
It's the 28th of March. It's 11 o'clock. So we're about 25 hours into the challenge and I still haven't opened the Rubik's Cube box. So I'm a little bit behind, but that's okay. I'll come back up and I'm going to take out this challenge.
So I finished it once now and I am starting to memorize some algorithms. I'm trying to memorize them in a way that Matthew actually suggested, which was to turn them into a song.
The fastest time I've gone so far is, well, the average time is about 3 minutes 30.
So the date is 2nd of April.
Done.
3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Okay, so I just finished setting up for our big challenge and I'm trying to do some last minute practice while I wait for them to arrive. I am not confident.
Why are you doing that?
Nothing exciting.
So how are you feeling, guys?
Nervous.
Wow, I love the energy. Okay, so Matthew, how are you feeling before the competition?
I'm just looking forward to it. I'm pretty like, this is like fun for me. It's my life before this. A bit boring.
Wow. Natalie?
I'm feeling good. It's good to have learned a new skill.
You suck on camera.
I am actually really awkward on camera.
Because we were having like the best conversations about it before we started.
Before.
Like genuinely good.
That's why you should have been filming.
So how many hours would you estimate?
I would estimate about 3 hours.
Total?
I reckon.
Oh my god. Who's gonna
I
win?
think I was gonna win.
Huh?
Wow, thank you.
Man, I don't know. You guys might be lying all the time, eh?
What if he is?
I wish I was. I'm
You
just
might.
embarrassed.
I don't know.
I'm not.
But it looks like I'm gonna win.
I
It's been 3 hours, man. I've been 3 hours on the first day.
Can we just do this?
Before we start, is there anything you want to say?
May the best man win.
Yeah. I had a great time this week.
I kind of just hope you guys make mistakes.
3, 2, 1, go.
Done. Oh, I'm nervous.
Can you imagine?
This is like the worst I've done.
Yeah, sure. No!
Please, because I'm still up to the first part.
No!
Oh,
No! Oh,
come on, Ellie, you got
shut up!
Go on, Natalie.
I'm flustered!
it. Trying to give you some support. Bam!
And I'm gonna take out this challenge.
No! What's the time? 2:28! I keep making mistakes!
I'll mix it.
Nah!
I'll let you guys.
Oh, I'm not even up to algorithms.
You're like constantly muttering to yourself.
That's how I like remembered what I was doing. Mutter what I'm doing. Okay.
Yes!
Ah.
That took me 4 minutes.
Oh, I was up to the last algorithm too.
So annoying! I was so confident.
And I'm gonna take out this challenge.
That's so annoying.
Yeah, you're confident.
You were
confident
really
in the chat.
Yeah, I was!
Like you were,
I
you
was
were
excited.
answering.
What if we play a bye-bye song?
There'll be. Now, thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. If you have any ideas, then leave it down the bottom. Bye. Yay!
But you're the rapper every time.
Nah, I was joking. Nah, that sucks.
I'm editing that
See
in.
you. Thanks for watching.
If you have ideas for what you want us to do next week, comment below.
And if you haven't already, subscribe, follow us on our Facebook page, like us, retweet, share, and if you haven't already, click the little bell icon so you can get all our notifications. Yeah, this is the outro. My name is Dr. Rubik. Nah. Edit
That
out.
was so